She was wrong. I'll make these better to you. Put me inside you. I'm great. And she chose me just like you're out there. They're all worthless, kid. Every woman. Don't let them get ya. All of them want to get ya. They can grab you and pull you into them. And you're forced to stay in. Pull out, stay in, pull out. And they cut ya. And they grab your body right where it counts. And then they start squeezing things out. Things that are like weights around your head. You're stuck there for the rest of your life with nowhere to go and nowhere to be. What?